G'day, thanks for watching. Let's have a look at the Dow, the S&P and the Nasdaq. Bit of a drop on the markets. So a chance to reflect on what's happened. This is the Dow daily. Bring in some data. Well, no new all-time high. Serious down bar. And as long as this phasing holds up, there's a little bit of time still to go into the 40-week low zone, which is sometime between the 17th of November and the 24th of November as a guide only. Have a look at the S&P. Bring in some data. Same story, really. Normally, the 40-week lows in the market are quite visually significant. And here on the S&P, there's a 40-week zone on the daily between the 15th of November and the 18th of November. Again, just a guide. One of the things with cycle theory and cycle practice is that we notice that in downtrends, and we haven't got that yet, but I believe we're headed there, in downtrends, lows have a tendency to come in late. So we need to keep that in mind as far as the 40-week low zone timing is concerned. And the Nasdaq. Bring in some data. All right, well, we've got a cross here, and this FLD projection can now be adjusted. So what that's saying is that the drop based on the 40-day FLD will be relatively shallow, but importantly, it's indicating that it may in fact be later than this 40-week zone that we've got on here at the moment. The 40-week zone is between the 13th of November and the 18th of November. And I've mentioned on the other markets that there's a question mark over the low, which was at the 30th of October. And the question mark is, was that 20-day low actually the 7th of November? Now, I've made that shift. The effect, of course, will be that this lime green forecast orb over here for the 20-day cycle will move. And that's one of the reasons why we are very careful about this business of relying too heavily on the forecast zones. So you can see now that if we go to the right-hand side of the 20-day orb, we're pushing well out to the end of November, the 26th, in fact. So the important thing is be ready for a drop. And although I'm already short, I am readying myself for the lift out. After plunge, we have bounce. And this market will bounce. All cycles plunge and then bounce. So after a 40-week low, it's usually a fabulous opportunity to get long. And that's my thinking for my trading further out. Okay, thanks for watching.